Okay, friends, I am Dr Heena and today for scholarship grade 7, our today's topic is average. Okay, so what is mean by average? So if two or more quantities are given and we have to find the averaging between them, then we add those quantity and how many number of quantities are there, we divide with that number to the sum, so that we will get the average or the mean of the desired quantities. Okay, so 1 second, we'll just start. Wait a minute, just wait. Okay, just few seconds. As soon as we are able to see the screen, then we'll start. Okay, okay. So the sum of given numbers upon total numbers is equal to average. It is the formula of average. If we have to calculate the average of three consecutive number, the average is always their middle number. Means what? If 2, 3 and 4, these three numbers are there and we have to calculate the average of these three numbers, so their average is always number 3. Okay, now average of three consecutive even number, if we have to calculate, or three consecutive odd number we have to calculate, then it is equal to their middle number again. Okay, now see, 12, 14, 16 ka average is always the 14, or 13, 15, 17, they are odd numbers, their average is always the middle number. Okay, now for any three numbers with equal difference between them, the average is equal to the middle number, जो कि हमने इवन एंड ऑड नंबर के बारे में देखा. ओके, नाउ average of 4, 6 or 8 digit number odd even, if the number is there, then the average of their middle two numbers is the average of given numbers. Now what is it means? So see, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, these are the numbers and we have to calculate the average of it. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. If they are 7 numbers, then middle number is the average, but they are 6 numbers. So if we want to calculate their average, so middle two numbers we take and we calculate the average of middle two number, and that is the average of the given numbers. Okay, now same thing is for odd numbers also, but the total number should be even. Okay, now if average of consecutive numbers we have to calculate, then we just take first number and last number and divide it by 2, and we all know the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, now we'll directly move to practice exercise. We take some of the sums. It is very easy chapter, so you all can try at home on your own. Okay, now see, what is the average of squares of first 5 even numbers? Okay, natural numbers. So what are the first 5 even numbers? So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are the first 5 even numbers. Now what you have to do? You have to do the square of 2, which is 4, plus 16, square of 4, then square of 6, which is 36, square of 8, which is 64, and 100. You have to add all of them and you have to divide it by 5. So you will get your answer as 44. Okay, so you can do it. Now the next is, by how much is the average of natural numbers from 1 to 50 more than average of natural numbers from 1 to 25. Now we know if the numbers are in consecutive manner, then we just take first and last. So 1 plus 50 upon 2 means 51 upon 2 means 25.5. Okay, and 1 plus 25 is equal to 26 upon 2 is equal to 13. So you have to find the difference in between 25.5 and 13, which is 12.5. Now Rahul scored an average of 48 runs in 5 one-day matches. The first 3 matches he scored an average of 40 runs. In the fourth match, he scored the 70 runs, and calculate the runs scored by him in the fifth match. Okay, so you all know the average of 5 one-day matches together, which is 48. Okay, now and first 3 matches का average is 40 runs. Okay, now you have to calculate the average of, 1 second, you have to calculate the average of wait a minute. Fourth match, he got how many runs? He got 70 runs, and we have to calculate the runs scored by him in the last match. So what we can do here, we have to calculate the runs scored by him in first now see, total run by him in first 5 matches we have to calculate. So you can say ki my network is little bit hang, but just wait for a minute. Now see, total score by him in 5 matches is 48 multiplied by 5. App get closed. 1 second. Something went wrong. It is getting very much hang. Okay. हो गया? Network is getting very much hang actually. That's why you have to wait a little bit. But just wait. We'll just solve the issue. Now see. Runs scored by him. Average run scored is 48 in 5 matches. So total run in all 5 matches is 48 multiplied by 5. Now you have to do the first 3 matches ka total run as 40 multiplied by 3, and last match run we know that is 70. Now what you have to do? You have to add this 40 multiplied by 3, which is 120, plus this 70 which he scored in the fourth match, so it becomes 190, and 48 multiplied by 5 is 200 plus 40, so 240. Now you just subtract this 190 from 240, so you will get the runs scored by him in the fifth match, which is 50 runs. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the average of the given numbers. Okay, now we will just move ahead. Now see, in the next question, the average of smallest and greatest 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 13. Now you have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 13 and greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 13, and you have to find the average of both those numbers. Okay, so this is for your homework. Now some of the sums I am letting for your homework, and the next is average weight of 40 students is 35.5 kg. If their average weight along with the class teacher is 36, what is the weight of kg of the class teacher? Now we have just solved the sum like this. Now what you have to do, you have to calculate the total weight of 40 students, and we have to calculate the total weight of 41 person with 36 and 40 persons with 35.5, and just subtract this 40 into 35.5 with 41 into 36. Whatever answer you got, you just subtract the smaller value from the greater value, you will get the age weight of class teacher. Okay, now these are the some sums that are based on these things only, so you all can try it at home. Now see, average of squares of first 5 odd natural number we have to find out. So you must know which are the first 5 odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are the first 5 odd number. Now you just do the square of them, add them and divide it with 5, so you will get the average of first 5 natural odd numbers. Again same thing, first 7 composite numbers you have to find out and you have to find the average of them. Now what is the average of 7 numbers preceding 7, each decreasing by 1/2? So what you have to do here, preceding 7 means 7 after 7 but decreasing by 1/2. So 6.5, 6, 5.5, 5. Like this you have to calculate the 7 numbers and add them and then divide it with 7, so you will get the answer. Now my pen is not working, so I am unable to solve these questions for you. So you all can try, because pen is running very slow and network is very slow here, so I cannot complete my writing along with my wording. Okay, now see, something is very problematic happen here. Now see, the average age of Mahesh and Deepak is 13 years and that of Deepak and Aarti is 20 years. Sum of ages of Aarti Mahesh is 36 years. Then Aarti's age we have to find out. Now these two ka just give it as M, D and A like variable, and you just find the total weight of Mahesh and Deepak. Then you find out the total age of Mahesh and Deepak, then total age of Deepak and Aarti. Now Mahesh and Deepak's total age is 26 years. M plus D, then D plus A is equal to 40 years. And we know Aarti and Mahesh ka age which is 36 years. Okay, now we have to find the Aarti's age. So we just substitute the Mahesh age with Aarti's age. Okay, so what you can do here, you have to substitute this Mahesh age with Aarti's age and you can find out the age of Aarti. If you are not able to solve, I will help you, but right now I can't do because my pen is not working properly. Okay, now again average of these numbers is given to you, which is 76, and you have to find the digit which is at the star place. So what you will do, how many numbers are here, you just calculate and you multiply that figure, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. So first you have to do 76 multiplied by 6, then you add all these numbers and keep this number as x. You will get the value of this number and you just find the digit which is there at the unit place. Okay, So I hope you understood the topic because network is getting very much hang. So I am unable to solve more and more sums for you. You all can try at home, and if there is any problem, I will help you. Okay. Thank you.